Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this session, let me see how to install and configure Processwire CMS on Fedora 34. Processwire is an open source PHP-based content management system, web application framework, and content management framework. In addition to offering flexibility and easy to use, it enables you to have strong control over your page fields, template, and markup at any scale. Now I'm going to check OS version. This is OS version Fedora 34, and then I'm going to change directory to Apache location cd space /var/www, and then I'm going to make directory to this location mkdir space process, press enter, change directory to this directory. Here you can download Composer for Processwire CMS. Use this following command: press enter, press Y to continue, press Y. After installation, list the file. We can see here Processwire file inside, and then I'm going to move this Processwire directory to final, and then change directory to final. Here you can list the file. These are the Processwire CMS file, and then I'm going to open Apache virtualhost file. Use this following command: to open the file and make this configuration, and save and exit. And then I'm going to give owner name and group name for this directory. Use this following command: and then I'm going to give permission for this directory. Use this command. Now I'm going to create MySQL database. Follow the commands. Press enter. Here enter database password. Here we can create database. Follow these steps step by step. Now change the database. Use this command. Press enter. Database changed. And then create a user and password. and give privileges to this user and database. And finally exit. Then going to open host and file. Here enter your IPN, domain name, then save and exit. And then restart the Apache with this command systemctl restart httpd. Now go to the browser, enter your domain name here and search it. You can see Processwire is opened. Now click here and click and select this and click here and then go to next step, enter your database detail, select your time zone, then continue, don't save, create admin password, now enter Gmail ID here, then click here, click, now enter your username and password, admin and password, now login. The process of installing and configuration Processwire CMS has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.